What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting, and we will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So here we go. So right now the battery percentage is 95, the CPU temperature is 38 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 36. And these are the games we got today here on our ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. So let's play them and let's see how good the gaming performance of the device is going to be. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So this is the maximum volume. The stereo effect is quite nice. I'm going to reduce the volume a bit. And now let's play the game. So the graphics quality is great. If you have a look on the background, you can see how much detail we are getting, the reflection of the light on the statue and everything. So good. So everything was nice and super smooth while playing Injustice 2 on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra here. So let's play the game a bit more. So there is no frame drop or lagging is happening. While playing Injustice 2 here on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, the graphics quality is great, everything is nice and smooth. So let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So the CPU is at 38 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 35. CPU went to 36. So there is no increase in the temperature. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality and the 60 FPS is enabled as well. So the graphics quality is great, especially if you have a look on the ground, the cracks on the road and everything, so good. So everything is nice and smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on our ZTE Axon 40 Ultra here. You can see graphics quality is super nice and gameplay is extremely smooth. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra on the highest possible graphics setting. So let's have a look on the battery status now. So now the CPU temperature is 40 and battery is at 36 degrees Celsius. Let's close Asphalt 9 and now it's time to play Alto's Odyssey. So as you can see that the graphics quality is great while playing Alto's Odyssey. And because of the under-display camera, we are getting an immersive viewing experience while playing games on this device. So this is really nice for sure. So everything was nice, smooth, and the graphics quality was great while playing Alto's Odyssey on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. So let's close the Alto's Odyssey. Let's have a look on the battery. So CPU is at 40 degrees Celsius. The battery temperature is at 38 degrees Celsius now. Let's close Alto's Odyssey, and now it's time to play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, by default very high graphics quality is selected and frame rate is at high. I can select the max frame rate with very high graphics quality. So this is the graphics setting I'm going to use to play the Call of Duty Mobile on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra here. So the graphics quality is great and super realistic. If you have a look on the gun, the reflection of the light on the parts of the guns, the 3D graphics rendering, it's so good.
Lost the lead. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Enemy in sight. Contact with enemy in sight. Tied for the lead. Enemy in sight. Target down. Enemy lost the lead. Target in sight. It's too close. Fight harder. Lost the lead. Tiger down. Enemy contact.
So the graphics quality is really brilliant and the gameplay is super smooth on the highest possible graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile. So if you like to play Call of Duty Mobile on your smartphone, you're gonna be happy with the performance of this device for sure.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Contact with enemy. Target in sight. Targets in sight. Enemy in sight. Targets in sight. Tango down.
Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Targets in sight.
And here we go. So as you can see that the performance of the device, the ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, was brilliant while playing Call of Duty Mobile on the highest possible graphics setting here. So I'm gonna leave it here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So CPU is at 40 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 38 degrees Celsius. CPU just went down 39 because we have stopped playing the game, and now it's time to play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, HDR graphics quality is available, Ultra HD is available as well, UHD is not available, so I can play the game on Ultra HD graphics quality with Ultra frame rate. If I select HDR, then I can also select the extreme frame rate. So this is what I'm going to select, the combo of HDR graphics quality with extreme frame rate. And now let's play the game. So here you can see that we are getting great graphics quality. If you have a look on the ground, the costume of the character, the reflection of the light when I'm changing the camera angle, and everything is super smooth here while playing PUBG Mobile on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. As you can see, especially the graphics quality is very impressive. Lots of detail in everything. If you have a look on the ground here, so you can see how smooth it is while playing PUBG Mobile on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra here. So once again, if you have a look on the ground, you can see how much detail we are getting. It's very smooth. Everything is so nice. So as you can get the idea that I'm not a good PUBG player, I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gaming capability of the device. And if you are a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea that how smooth is the gameplay while playing PUBG Mobile here on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. So you can see how smooth it is when I'm zooming in and out of the scope. So I'm just going to leave it here because if you're a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea about the gaming capability of the device. But as you can see, graphics quality is great, everything is nice and super smooth while playing PUBG Mobile on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra here. So let's leave it and let's have a look on the battery status. So the CPU temperature is 44 degrees Celsius, it's increased, and so is the battery, it's at 40 degrees Celsius. And while playing all of these games for nearly 30 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 95 to 88, so the battery performance is good for sure, and so is the overall gaming capability of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra here. So if you are a gaming lover, you will love the performance of the device for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.